Lori, Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I'm at our newest listing at 20B Folkstone in East Windsor, Connecticut. Come on in and take a look around. This very young condo was built in 2008, offers low taxes, low fees, so special features include nice decor throughout, thermal-pane windows that tilt in for easy cleaning and accessibility, smooth texture ceilings, modern lighting, hardwood floors in your dining room and in your kitchen, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, central air, gas heat, and so much more. It's open to this very large living room, which also offers plentiful windows. There's a built-in desk, 2x6 construction, and a wonderful gas log fireplace. There are maple cabinets with raised panels, plentiful maple cabinets, a walk-in pantry, granite countertops, and a nice breakfast bar that's tiered with the granite countertops as well. There's stainless steel appliances, hardwood floors that flow down the hallway into a half bathroom. It has 2.5 baths and into the dining area. The dining area is spacious and even has a jog out with plentiful windows and leads to your deck. It is super private in the backyard here. Super private. You have your own deck and it's back to woods, giving you tons of privacy. Anyone would love this unit. You also have a garage, a one-car garage. Upstairs, you have 2 bedrooms, wonderful large master suite. So there's 2.5 bathrooms total with this unit. And the second bedroom also has double closets and its own bathroom as well. There is a large full basement downstairs which could easily be finished for extra office space, play space, or workout space. So if you'd like to set up an appointment for a private showing to see this beautiful unit, give us a call at 860-618-6233 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. I hope to hear from you soon.